lovelies, welcome back. I hope you are having a fabulous day. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing Boxycharm. And it's February's box, and I'm doing it in the month of February. Yay me! To be honest, I've had this for like 2 weeks, but as I have said, I'm gonna open it. As I have said in my previous videos, last week I was sick. And the week before that, we had some family drama that needed to be taken care of. And it involved like 3-4 hour meetings with social services and then sitting all day in court. And I will say, I won't get into a whole bunch of detail. I will say that thank God everything worked out the way it was supposed to. For now. So, you know, like my little flower, I was just kind of feeling a little extra today, you know, because my hair needs to be washed. Look at my undercut. Like, it needs to be cut. It needs to be colored. The eyebrows need to be done. Anyway, today, we're doing Boxycharm. And if you've watched previous Boxycharms and this is a repeat, anybody that's new, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription. I believe it's anywhere between $21 and $22 a month. And you get 5 high-end products delivered right to your door. So, let's see. This month, it is Afterglow. That's what it says, Afterglow. And then I'm just going to take everything out. Everything is nice and neat and packaged. Oh, isn't that pretty? And then we all know this goes to Mom Dot for her dollhouse club. And the box is just put off to the side. So, let's start with Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara separates, coats, curls each lash to a voluminous perfection. I will say that I've used this. And, spoiler, I will say that I have not one, but 2 drugstore dupes for this. So that will be in an upcoming video. I like this. This retails for, this is $24. I think Ulta has it currently for $25. Mascara does not last long enough for me to spend $24, $25 on a tube of mascara. Now, if I can get this half off or buy one, get one free, that's a little different. Do I like it? Yes, I like it. But I am wearing one of the dupes today. And I like this just as well. So, do you want to save some pennies? And to be honest, okay, and if you've watched any of my recent videos, I've been a little salty. I had to deal with some internet trolls, and I didn't like it. But I will say, this whole sexual thing that these makeup companies are doing, I mean, even like Wet n Wild, one of their lips is Send Nudes, and then this is Better Than Sex, and then you've got NARS Climax. I mean, I don't like that. I just don't, Maybe I'm getting old. I don't know. I am old. But I don't like it. So, if you're listening, stop it. I know they're not listening. But anyway, it's this Plexus, man. I get up in the morning, I drink my water, and then I drink my Plexus, and I will say, even though it wasn't my main goal to lose weight, it was to get energy and to feel better, and God, I gotta cut these bangs. was to feel better was the number one, and to work on my immune system, because that's what happened the week before when you're in the courthouse and you're in the meetings and all these people were around, and one day it was cold and it was rainy, and then the next day it's hot and it's sunny, and you're in these confined spaces, and all these germs, my body just takes it all in and I get sick. So the next one is Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. That's what this is, which I don't think it was last month. I think it was the month before we got a Pretty Vulgar powder. All right, I don't want to tear this up, but I can't get into it. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Isn't that pretty? Let's see. That's what it looks like. Let's scoot in some. You know, this reminds me of the Wet n Wild one. I'm going to take a fan brush. I know I'm already glowing here. If you want to see how I did this makeup look, then I will link that video down below. But this is a full face of Revlon, with the exception of the lip liner, the concealer, and the mascara. So I'm just taking an Eco Tools fan brush. Oh, I like that. Ooh, I like it. I like it. Now, I already had highlighter on, but you can never have too much highlighter. Look at that highlight. I like that highlight. This says, allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvet smooth highlighter in highlighter. This velvet smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving light reflecting the pearlescent pigments. And this retails for $32. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Like it. Like it. Like it. Like it. Next, we have Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. Looks like that. Creates a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. This light, silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles and gives your skin a soft velvet feel. Blurs pores and wrinkles? You got me. This retails for $18. I'm going to shake it up a little bit, and we're going to put some on my hand and see what it feels like. It's very smooth. Very, very smooth. And it's blurring the pores on my hand. Wow. I don't know if you can see that, but it did. It blurred the pores on my hand. So I'm going to be using this in the very near future, like tomorrow. Next we have Farmacy with an F right there, see? Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. Soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, that's a mouthful, was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with natural ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and powerful botanical blends of turmeric, chamomile, aloe, and licorice root. My trusted tweezers. I have a feeling this is going to go everywhere. Okay, that smells weird. It doesn't smell bad. Like I was expecting licorice or coconut or something. I don't even know what that smells like. This retails for $22. And it's 3.4 fluid ounces. So I will try this and update you all on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, then my Instagram name is down below, but it's L.A. Bailey, B-A-Y-L-Y. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my Instagram. So, last, we have Trestique Priming Glaze Lip Crayon. Is it crayon? Crown. How do you say it? Do you say crown? My grandson says crown. I say crayon and he says I'm wrong. So, anyway, I diverse. Always. Always. Trestique Priming Glaze Lip Crayon. That's what it looks like. Packaging on it is really cute. This 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip soothing primer on one side and a shiny colored glaze on the other. Okay, let me get a tissue. We're gonna get a tissue. All right, wiped everything off. Now, I'm assuming that's the color. Oh, it's magnet. Watch. Ready? I'm easily amused. This retails for $25. Okay, there's the primer. Is that magnetic? No. So, we're gonna put this on our lips. Oh, you can't see. There you go. Now, I'm going to use this one. That's the color. Does it say what color it is? English Rose. Very weirdly shaped. Can you see that? That's weird shaped. Put it back down so I don't break it. I was expecting the color to be... Oh, I love that magnet. Watch. Ready? I was expecting the color to be more like that, which is more of a orangey, like a burnt orange, but it's more pink. It transfers. It's really smooth. Really silky smooth. Not drying. Doesn't stick together. Very creamy. And I don't know if I said, this retails for $25. So, for $21, $22, we got 24, 32, 18, 22, and 25. So we definitely got our money's worth. What do you think? Tell me down below. Can I pull out this color? All right, guys. That's it. Short and sweet today. So, as always, thank you for spending some time with me. Have a happy and blessed day, And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.